Hello, my family and friends, and to those who don't know me, my name is Sally Casper. Today I'm going to show you what we found at the dollar store. They are a brand name items, and it's just $1. This year I'm getting smarter compared to many years ago that I have no idea that we can find some good deals for just $1. So my family and friends, I will see you in a little bit. I'm gonna show you these items. Look at this guy's dollar store. The works of the shower cap and shower cleaner. Maybe I'll try this. Look at the flowers at the dollar store for all seasons. See that? Beautiful. It's nice to get this for the garden. Look at these cups. Green cups. Maybe I'll try